Hello, this is Andy, hobo traveler in Awasa, Ethiopia. There's these birds up here at this square real close to the center of the city that are, from what it looks like, nesting up here in the top of these trees. There's quite a few of them, and their wingspread is big as not exactly sure. It's kind of like a flamingo, but I'm not sure. As you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 15 of them up there in this tree. This is not out in the middle of nowhere. This is right at the bottom of the hill. Well, bottom. If you walk from the main street down towards the river, this is right here, right before the lake, towards the lake. It's not the river. They're sitting up in this tree at the circle. It's early morning. I'm not sure if they'll do this all day, but quite a big bird to be walking around close to you. Well, Andy, hobo traveler in Awasa, Ethiopia. I hope somebody tells me the exact type of this bird so that I can have my curiosity solved. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, I'll zoom out before I go.